Hi, this is Joanna again. I'm going to be making brownies tonight with the Cambrooke Chewy Brownie mix. This is our Chewy Fudgy Brownie mix. This is off of Cambrooke's website, and it sells for $19.49 off their website. And I'm going to add a little peanut butter in it, is what we call it. And the peanut butter is a medical version of peanut butter, because we can't have nuts because they're too high in protein and may kill us. It is a version of getting it without that. And so they do have fragments of nuts in it maybe. So it's still not allergen friendly if you're extremely allergic to peanuts. So if you're allergic, don't do it. But this is not an allergy, it's just a problem processing the amino acid in protein. And so that we have across the board with all of the metabolic conditions. And so I'm going to start off by mixing. This is a stick and a half of melted butter, and we'll pour that in, and some half a cup of our silk almond milk. And this is the unsweetened almond milk. I never cook with flavored milk. It's so these are, and it's always a dairy-free milk, because again, protein. So there's that. And then lower that down. And then I'm going to cut this open. And we will cut this open and mix it in. And this is going to bake at 350 for 35 minutes when it's done. So I'm going to put these guys in first before I do that. I'm tethered to the thing because I'm working with a microphone today. So there. And that's one of the things I need to mention to you. If there is a problem hearing this, please let me know. Or if you have any comments, please let me know, because I don't know if there's a problem unless I'm told. So there's that. And that's the other one. So I have two of them here. I'm going to lower that down before I enter in the mix again and just mix it up a little. Okay, so let this go for a few minutes and I'll add in the brownie mix. I don't know if that's going to be enough milk since I added the peanut butter, but we'll see. There. Okay. So we'll stop that for a second. Yeah, I think I am going to add in some more. I've always used the Taste Connections ones. I've never used these, so it's kind of different. I may have to get the other, the measuring cups again here in a second. So back with the brownies again, and I'm going to add in another half a cup of the milk, of the almond milk here. So we'll go there. I'm used to the Taste Connections ones. These are a lot darker than the other brownie mix, which we can do a comparison with tomorrow, next time. But, oops. Okay, let me get that off. I have the paddle here. And okay, so let's see. Might go maybe another half a cup. See what we can do here. I don't want to make them too liquidy, but it does need a little bit more. Okay, try that. So I'm going to get all of that. And hopefully this looks like it might be a lot better, but we shall see. So there's that. Okay, so now I'm just going to take it out of the machine, take all the mix out and put it in the greased pan. Again, this bakes at 350, which it's almost, the oven is almost at 350. I set it before I went on. And it bakes for 35 minutes. So, just got to get this out. And most people know this. The thing you're putting these in has to be greased. Otherwise, it's going to stick like crazy. So, I'm just going to dump this out. And oh, this could be done with cookie butter also, if you don't have access to the peanut butter, and you're on a medical diet. If you are not on the metabolic diet, you can do it with regular peanut butter also, and just a regular brownie mix. And these could also be muffins, be done as muffins, according to the packaging. They make 24 if you want to do it that way. Okay, and now I'm just going to stick it in the oven, and we should be good to go. But these are now ready to go in the oven, and the oven just went off, so they go on the middle rack here. And thank you for your time.